everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, we have a lot of these paper bag scraps, and that makes it a great, super simple Sunday project. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for the positive way in which you support me and my channel. Today is Super Simple Sunday, and we are going to take some leftovers, something that might be discarded. We're going to take those leftovers and we're going to create the cutest little mini shopping bags. And so here is what I'm talking about. I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but this is a really sweet mini shopping bag. I'm using some leftover brown paper bag bottoms, and then I removed the handles from some delivery bags that I had, and I used those handles on this little mini shopping bag. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here's what we're going to be using today. We're going to take some of the bag bottoms that we had left over from one of the paper bag crafts that we did, and we are going to turn it into this. It's a mini shopping bag. So you can use this for any season, any reason, anyone. When finished, our little shopping bag is going to be 5 by 3.5, and it'll be approximately 3¼ inches deep. So here's what we're going to need. I have a bag bottom, I have 2 handles, and I think these are from a Panera Bread bag. And then we're going to need some decorative pieces to place down if you want decorative pieces on your bag. Now you don't have to place these. You can actually just take this, add the handles, and go with a mini brown paper bag. So for me, I am going to cover mine. I have 3 pieces that are cut at 5 by 3¼ Then I have 2 pieces that are cut at 2 by 5. So very, very simple. With it flat like this, I am going to go ahead, take one of my 3¼ by 5-inch pieces and place it down. Now I use my Xyron to put the sticky on the back. If you don't have a Xyron, you can do this with tape or glue. It's completely up to you. And then I'm going to flip it over, but this time I need to flatten out this piece so that we can place our second piece down. So then I'll take this piece, and just like with the other, we'll put it down like that. And remember, if you're working with these brown paper bags, they will have some imperfections. And that's okay, because working with brown paper bags or any type of store-bought bag is probably going to come with a few imperfections. So then I'm going to take this piece, and I'm just going to check it along the bottom by placing it like that to make sure it's going to fit. If you notice that your piece is too big, just trim off a little before you put it down. I'm just going to take this piece, scooch it into the corner, and then I'll place it down. And now we have a nicely lined bag. You can see how cute this is shaping up to be. So now I'm just going to trim these 2 out, because I'm going to score these to get a more exact placement before I put them down. And before I do anything with these, I'm going to make sure that they will fit with a fold over, and they will. So now I'm just going to take this, place it on the 2-inch side, and score at 1. And I'll do it with this one as well. So now I can peel away that backer sheet. We'll take our piece. Just going to make sure I have it nice and stuck. And then I'll put it down like that. And we'll do the same thing with this one. I'll peel away that backer. We're going to take this piece, and we're just going to put it down and then we'll just get it stuck. And so there we have our nice, sweet little bag. I am going to go ahead and place my handles. So I'm going to repurpose these handles that might have been just thrown away with the bag or placed in recycling. And I'm just adding some glue. And where you decide to place it in the bag is completely up to you. So I am just going to take this and I'm just going to place it right about there, just like that. And you can see how that looks on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. Add a little bit of glue. If you wanted to put something in this bag that might be a little bit heavy, such as a cologne bottle, you might want to add some chipboard to the base of the bag. So I am going to take this one, place it on the inside, test my handles to make sure they're the same height before I actually stick this down. And we are pretty good. And so y'all, there we have our second mini shopping bag. I think that these are just so adorable, and depending on the paper that you choose to use, like I said, any season, any reason, anyone, these would make perfect little favors for a baby shower, wedding shower, birthday, anything that you might be celebrating. If you want to send your guest home with something, you can dress these up for anyone. These bags are truly for everyone. And then if you wanted to dress it up even more, you can take a little rosette, put that rosette right in the corner. How stinking cute is that? Y'all remember this rosette? This is the rosette that I made in that package of rosettes, or that party package that I showed you in a previous video. And I'll link that video so you can go back and get a refresher on how I did it if you have any questions. But this paper was never designed to go with these papers, but look how well they work and they complement one another. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's super simple Sunday craft. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.